All right, real quick, this just showed up. It's a jet pump for shallow well. I'm gonna use it for a makeshift pool heater we're building. I believe this is gonna work. We're still piecing together. I got a wood burning stove off Facebook Marketplace for free, and we're gonna rig it with copper. And if it can't naturally circulate from the heat, we're gonna hook this thing up to it. And the reason we're going overkill is because why not? Hey, stop. If it's broken, don't return it. Yeah, okay, good luck. Everbuilt, I believe, is a Home Depot brand. It's a pretty robust looking pump. It's gonna be a minute till we hook it up, so I'm reluctant to take it off. Look at that. Nice pressure gauge there. Gotta love that. All right, let's get this behemoth out of here. It's a big boy. Yeah, the fun part, taking it out and not ever getting it back in. Yeah, sure. Okay. Why not? All right. Yeah, sweet. All right, come here. All right, came right out. Look at that. Gotta love it. Hey, check it out. The box has handles on it, so it's easy to carry. I love that these companies have started to give a hoot. All right. So I would say it's your bare bones circulation pump, well pump. Probably can't use it as a pool pump. Looks like the PVC is a little small on the small side here, but yeah, I don't know. It looks good, brand new. Be a minute till we hook it up, but I like the mounting options here. That's cool. They give you a plate. Hook it up however you like, but there you go.